person, Dr. Raj David, Associate Professor and Academic Coordinator at St. Francis Institute of Management and Science. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Good evening, all. It is a wonderful opportunity for us to gather in this virtual platform on the final day of our FDP Empowering Educators for the AI Age. And I take immense pleasure welcoming Dr. Raj David, who is working as Assistant Professor and Academic Coordinator at St. Francis Institute of Management and Research. He's a very well known person to my professor, Mr. Gomadi Sankar. So, due to some activities, he couldn't take part, and we requested sir to take a session, and he immediately accepted it. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation and joining with us and sharing your knowledge among us. To talk about Sir, Dr. David brings a wealth of experience to the table. Prior to his current position at St. Francis Institute of Management, he worked in BSS, that is Bhopal School of Social Studies, the Institute of Advanced Studies, MBA in Bhopal. And he also worked in Jain University, Bangalore, and Aura's Postgraduate College in Hyderabad. So this extensive teaching experience has equipped with him with a deep understanding of the academic landscape and the ability to engage with students effectively. And he is also the recipient of JRF and SRF, and he completed his doctorates from Pondicherry Central University, and he comes with a very well research background. As you look at his profile, he has done a lot of work in his research, and he's also mastered himself in SPSS, SAMOS, EView, Stata, and Smart PLS, and that knowledge makes him a very prime person in the field of research. And is also passionate about motivating the students' life, and he engages different styles of teaching methods. Hope during the session he may give us the input on how OER can involve in our classrooms as a digital element. Over to you, sir. We are excited and we are eagerly waiting for your session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Peter sir. Okay, so actually, so this section, it will be required a lot of time. So sir has given almost 1 hour 45 minutes only, but it will require a lot of time to explain. So what is mean by artificial intelligence? So what is mean by data driven? So I'll just share the screen. Okay. Am I audible to everyone? Can you able to see the screen? Am I audible? Hello? Is the screen is visible?
Sir, yes, sir. You're audible and the screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, so before starting the section, so I'll just tell you, so now we are living in the digitalized world. Okay, so data will be the blood for the business. Okay, I'll repeat, data will be the blood for the business. So you are already from the management background, so you know very well what is the role of the data when it comes to the decision making. So if you take any company, or even if you see in the research also, so maybe you will be collecting certain data. It may be a primary data or secondary data. So what are the data you will be collecting? So you will be having certain problem in your chosen area. So based on the particular problem, you will be collecting some information. See, why I'm telling means, if you see some 10 years before, or maybe before the internet, people, they have to go to the library, they have to collect the information, they have to read the newspapers, they have to update themselves. But if you see at present, everything will be available in the internet. So only thing is, you need to sit in the internet and you need to type the right keywords. Even if you are, what kind of words you will be typing in the Google Scholar or even ChatGPT, or what will be the search engine you will be typing. So based on the combination of your keywords only, you will be getting the right answer. Okay, so for today's section, I'll be going to take about the uh, open education resource. So in this today I'll be going to cover, so what is the definition of open education resource, and what is the benefit of OER, and what are the types of OER, what are the initiatives and platforms, and some case study also, and what are the major challenges and issues in the OER. So what will be the best practice for implementing the OER? So in terms of teaching also, research also, how the OER will be playing a major role, and some AI based website will be there. So maybe first in the beginning, I'll give the explanation about the what is meant by OER. Then I have some website also. I'll show some demo also, how you can able to collect the information or data or study material or case study. Even if you're doing the research also, how you can able to download the articles. See, normally being a researcher or being a teacher, we should not tell certain data it's not available, or certain, if you're taking a class, certain topic will be there, certain jargon words will be there. If you are not able to find out the answer, means you are not the good researcher or you are not the good teacher. So being a teacher or being a researcher, we need to find the right answer. It's very important also in the digital world, because some information you are collecting, whether it is authenticated information or not, you need to check the information reliability also. So first I'll explain what is the definition of open education resource. Okay, so open education resource are freely accessible learning material. So at the free of cost, you can able to download, the textbook, or you can able to download certain information, even some data also, some secondary data, some historical data also you can able to download with the help of the open education resource. So that those resource, those material you can able to share to your colleagues, or you can able to share to your students, and you can able to improvise their knowledge. So what is the benefit of the open education resource? Means it will be a cost benefit. Why? Because it will be available in the internet. It will be available with a free of cost. So you need to search the information. See, normally those who are doing a research, those who are writing a research paper, so they will feel that it will be very difficult to collect certain data or certain material. Today I'll be going to tell you how you can able to download. So what is the technique will be there. Some paid journal will be there, how you can able to download the paid journal, particularly if you are finding some research topic, certain research paper. So when you are trying to download, it will be what to say, it will be asking some money in dollar or euro. So normally, as a being an Indian or being a researcher, it will be very difficult to pay maybe 1 lakh. Sometimes the particular publisher, they may charge for the 1 lakh or 50,000. Also depends upon the journal, or depends upon the book. Okay, so it will be available at the free of cost. The technique I'll tell you how you can able to download without spending a single rupee. How you can able to download, how you can able to use the material for your teaching as well as for your research. Okay, so accessibility, so you can able to get a quality education. Okay, you can able to deliver the quality content to your students also. So even case study will be there. So real time case study you can able to download, and you can able to discuss with your students. So you can able to improvise your knowledge, as well as you can able to share your knowledge with your students also. So customization, you can able to customize, depends upon your target audience. So if you are say for example, if you are presenting your paper in the conference, means, so based on the target audience, you can able to customize the topic. If you are delivering a lecture to your students, means, so who is your target audience, what kind of audience background will be there. So based on the audience background, you can able to customize, and you can able to trim the content also. Okay, so you can able to collaborate with the educators as well as the institutions for sharing their knowledge as well as the best practice. So today I'll be going to take about what are the various type of open education resource. So you know very well, so there will be a textbook, they will be available in the digital format. So if you see in the olden days, people, they will be going to the library. So day and night they have to sit in the library. They have to take the teaching notes. or they need to take the some research notes, materials. They need to spend a lot of time. But at present, everything will be available in the online. But how you are utilizing the material, so what is how the person will be using the certain content or certain tools or certain audio file or video file or a textbook or PDF file, so how they will be using. So teaching notes, so it can able to improvise your presentation skills, as well as you can able to design your PPT also. Even if you see at present, there will be a PowerPoint will be there. So in the PowerPoint also there will be, I think you know very well, so I'll just show. So in the PowerPoint also, if you go to the design, so there will be design layout will be there. So PowerPoint PPT also, so I'll just move the cursor, you can able to see here. Okay, so design idea will be there. So if I click the design idea, it can able to generate some templates. Just for example, this slide, if I wanted to change the slide, I can able to click any of this template, then automatically it will come here. Just for example, I'll click this particular slide, that particular design will change. Okay. So why I'm telling means because at present everything will be digitalized and everything will be available, it user friendly. Okay, it will be available, so user friendly. So who will be the users as per the thing, it will be customized as well as it is personalized also. So in the type of open education resource, video and multimedia also will be there. So normally if you are teaching to these students at this generation, students, if you are keep on teaching to the students, say for example, if you have the class for the 1 hour, so for the entire 1 hour, if you are teaching to the students means, if you are giving the oral lecture continuously back to back, if you are giving means students will get bored. So some kind of interactive section you need to make. So in between you need to discuss the case, in between you need to play some video, or in between you need to make some kind of a GD, or you need to interact with the students. Because at this generation, students are very much they are diverted to the some very major areas. Students will be access to the YouTube, they can able to access to the Instagram or Facebook, so many application, so they know very well so what is happening in the digital world. Okay, so you need to share some kind of interactive section to the students, then only the students will be engaged with the subject. Otherwise they will be deviated, otherwise the students will not be focused on the subjects. So assessment also, there are certain rubrics will be there, so you can able to evaluate the performance of the students based on the certain assessment, based on the certain test. So next one is open education resource initiatives and platforms. So they are, so at present if you see in terms of online, so there are so many digital platform will be there, there will be so many open access resource will be there. So you need to find out the open access resource, you can able to go into the particular resource, you can able to search the content. So everything will be available from A to Z. Either you wanted to search the book for the marketing or HR or finance or engineering or marine or architecture, so all kind of information, all kind of textbook will be available in the online. Okay, so and one more thing, so here there will be copyright and restriction will be there. So you need, when you are sharing the information or when you are sharing the textbook, or if you are copy certain content from the particular book, if you are putting in your particular research paper or in your particular PPT slide, and that particular PPT slide or textbook will be in your name, if you're publishing means there will be a copyright issue will be there. So you need to check the plagiarism. So those who are in the research, they know very well. So what is mean by plagiarism? So plagiarism means cut, copy, paste work. So you should be very careful what are the content you are collecting from the internet. So whether you have the right to use the content, even not only the content, even if you're collecting some image, or even if you're taking some video, or even if you're taking some audio file, you need to get the, whether you need to check whether if somebody has the copyright or not. If they have a copyright, you need to ask the permission from the particular author, then you are allowed to use the particular content or video. Okay, so there will be some free access online courses also will be there. So for example, like LinkedIn Learning will be there. So there will be a MOOC, some courses will be there. So it will be available at the free of cost. So at the, so they say, so for example, if you go to the LinkedIn Learning also, there will be some courses will be available. So at the end of the every course or every module, there will be some MCQ test will be there based on the particular module. you need to complete this MCQ test. So depends upon the evaluation. So it can able to generate. If you have more than 60% or 60 or 50%, you will get the certificate. Otherwise, you need to redo the particular course. So there are so many online courses will be available like Coursera, like LinkedIn Learning. So there are so many platforms will be there. I'll end of the presentation. I'll show some of the things also. So all kind of subjects will be available. That's why I told you, whether it is a management or arts and science or engineering or medicines, all the areas it will be available. So successfully open education resource, some of the case study. Okay, so it will be some case study. I given the link also. Okay, some case study, it will be available at the free of cost, so you can able to download and you can able to discuss with your students also. So I'll just rush up the things because in the demo section I wanted to explain each and everything. Okay, so what are the various challenges and issues will be there for the open education resource means? So anybody can able to upload their books, anybody can able to upload their videos, and anybody can able to download. But the problem is whether it is authenticated sources or not. Sometimes maybe some people, they can able to give the misinformation. So they will give some kind of false statement or false information. Say for example, if you see in the WhatsApp also, if you are in the group, some people maybe unintentionally they will be sharing their some other messages. They can put it in the WhatsApp. So they are not checking the quality of the information, quality of the content, whether it is true information or not. So what will be the information they are getting? So simply they will forward to the some other people. So likewise, it will just the information will be very fastly it will be spreaded. So whether it is truth or whether it is a false information, you need to check the quality of the content, whether it is a reliable information. If it is a reliable information, you can able to share, you can able to pass the information, or you can able to comment the particular information. If it is a false information, you need to stop sharing and you need to entertain. You should not entertain those kind of information. So access to the digital infrastructure and internet connectivity. At present, each and everybody will be connected to the internet. Either they may be having a smartphone, or either they may be having a laptop, or either maybe they may be having the desktop. So in any of the way, they are connected to the internet. So copyright and licensing, I already told you. So if you wanted to use certain content, so you need to check whether somebody has having the copyright or not. So what is the best practice for the open education resource implementation means? So normally we need to spread the awareness. So what are the various sources will be there, where you can able to download the free book, where you can able to download the research articles, how you can able to download the research articles. So likewise, they have to conduct more workshop, they have to conduct more FDP on this section. Then only everybody will be aware of this, where the database will be available, how to utilize the database, what kind of database will be available at the free of cost, so they can able to understand things. So just I'll show the some demo. Okay, so I'll just click. So this is some library Genesis. Okay, so you can able to download any of the books. So I think most of the people may be aware of this website. Just one second. So I'll just open the website. Just one second, I'll share the entire screen. So can you able to see the screen? Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
So if you go to this library Genesis, you can able to click. Okay, so the link it will open the particular home page. So in that home page, you can able to download a research book, or even if you wanted to download the magazines or science frictions or articles or newspapers or comics, everything will be available. Just for example, I'll be typing principles of marketing. So I just type the principles of marketing, so I can able to view the result, what are the books will be available for this particular title. Okay, say for example, so this is a journal. Okay, just one second. Okay, just one second. It is. So normally, and one more thing I forgot to tell you, normally if you go to the free website, so better you can use the antivirus, because sometimes virus will be there, so you need to protect your system and you need to protect your computer laptop also. Okay, so just for example, so I'll just type the, okay, 1 minute, yeah, principles of marketing. So there I can able to see n number of journals which will be related to the principles of marketing. For example, even if you wanted to customize your search also, you can able to select the topic, or how many result you want, or what are the textbook you want. So you can able to customize. I think some authentication is, it will be asking, I think. 1 minute. Okay, so I'll just show the demo also, how you can able to download here. Okay, don't know how to allow this thing. Yes, 1 second, I'll just allow the settings, then I'll do it. It will take few seconds. Yeah. Okay, so once if you open this link, so you can able to related to your search, you can able to find out n number of articles. These are all the research articles. Okay, so these are all the research articles. If you, just for example, if you wanted to download a journal of marketing education, just for example, I'll just click this particular link, so it will direct to the particular journal, and you can able to download this particular journal with the free of cost. Even if you see this particular journal, which volume or which issue, so I'll just zoom it so you can able to see. So 2000, so they have a volume 42, and volume 42 they have 2 volume, and issue also, first issue you wanted to download, second issue you want to download, or third issue you want to download. So likewise, year wise, from 1979 to till 2020. So all this copy will be available in the online. Just for example, so randomly I will select some 2010. Okay, volume 33. I wanted to download the issue 1. Just for example, I'm telling. Okay, so randomly I'll be selecting. So here I'll be downloading that volume. I think again it was regenerated to here. Okay. Just 1 second. Maybe my system is very slow. See, randomly I'll be clicking, so some of the things it will be again regenerated. But normally I'll suggest that if you have the antivirus, so you can able to protect your system also. Sometimes if you go for the free of cost, maybe the virus will be there, so you can able to protect yourself. Just for example, so I'll just type international business. So I wanted to download some international business book. Just for example, so here is the book will be there. Even if you wanted to type some author name also, you just type the author name, that particular, under particular author name, what are the books will be available, you can able to view the books. Okay, Just for example, Philip Kotler. So I'll just type the Philip Kotler. So what are the books he has written? Philip Kotler. So all the books. So this is the title of the journal or book. So this is the author name. This is the publish. So which year it was published, how many number of pages will be there, in which language it was published. So you can able to see. So you can able to download any of the books. It's available at the free of cost. Okay. So again, I'll go back to the PPT. So likewise, this all three books, I'm not going to show you entire website. Some of the website I'll be showing. So exam preparations. This is also a very important website. So you can able to view all type of web exams. Okay, so the website name will be exambrace.com. So for example, if your students will be preparing for the any of the exams, so I'll recommend this website. You can able to go through the website. You can able to download the question paper or material, study material. Okay, just for example, I'll show some exam maybe for the management point of view. Yeah, so I'll just click the management. Okay, so for the management, so which subject or which material you want? Just for example, I wanted the material of human resource management study material. So I'll just click this material. So in the human resource management, which topic you wanted to explore? Just for example, training concept process on YouTube lecture hands-on. So I can able to directly go to the content. Okay, so this is the content which will be available in the online. So what is meant by training? What is the process of training? What is the concept of training? So all those questions will be available. So this website will be available those who are preparing for the exams. So even if you are trying for the NET exam, or even if you're trying for the JRF exam or MAT exam or IAS exam, so all this type of exam, some sample paper also, question paper also will be available. You can able to explore. So I can't able to explain each and everything. Okay, so maybe after some time I'll share the PPT, so you can able to explore and you can able to identify what are the topics will be there. Just for example, for the IAS also, you have the preliminary preparation, main exam preparation, interview preparation. So under the interview also, there are so many questions, some sample questions will be there. So likewise for the MAT, CAT, GMAT, okay, this for examples, for all these will be available for the with the available question paper. Just for example, I'll click the GMAT. So in the GMAT, so it's for example, some sample question paper I wanted to check it. So I wanted to check, so which subject I wanted to check it. Okay, just for example, I just click critical reasoning. So I can go to the critical reasoning. So there's a question. So all the questions will be available here. So you can able to read the question, and below that normally there will be answer also will be available. So you can able to check the questions as well as the answer also. So this is the examrace.com. So it will be very useful those who are preparing for the any of the exams. So all kind of exams, question papers, syllabus, material, content, all will be available. Even video also, some videos also will be available related to the particular exams. Even if you are preparing for the bank exam or railway exam, even state-wise, if your exam is there, you can able to prepare. Subject-wise also, material, study material, some sample question paper, all will be available in this website. Maybe this you can able to explore maybe after this section. So even if you wanted to prepare the MCQ questions, multiple choice questions also, it will be available. Okay, just for your reference, I'll be showing. So this is also another website which will be available for the examination point of view. So I'll just open this case study. So even case study also, I already told you, normally if you are engaging with the students continuously, if you are taking the oral lecture, means students will be get bored. So sometimes some interaction you need to do. So there will be an open case study will be there. So these are the various case. Okay, these are the various case. Just for example, I just click randomly any of this particular link, your School of Management. So these are the various cases will be available with a free of cost. So it was clearly mentioned. I think I'll just zoom it also. So it will be available 0.00 US dollar. So which case you wanted to open, just based on your topic, based on your that particular day lecture, you can able to click and you can able to link, relate the case to your subject. Just for example, protecting giant NGO decision making for elephant conservation. So I'll be clicking this particular case. So I can able to see the particular case. So I can able to go through the case. So the teaching notes. So you can able to copy paste and you can able to use it for your subject. So likewise, similarly for each and every, these are the various institute, various top business schools. Okay, top business school, top journals, case study will be available. So you can able to click any of these business schools and you can able to use this particular case for your subject. Okay, just for example. So this is the some case. So you can able to, so under this particular business schools, you will find any number of case. So only thing is you need to find out the right case for your subject. Cases will be available. There will be a billions and millions of cases will be available. So you need to click the case. You need to explore the case, whether the case will be related to your subject or not. So for example, this will be a sustainable culture. If you are studying, if you are taking the cross-culture management, or if you are taking about the eco concept, means then you can able to take this case and you can able to discuss the case with your students. Okay, so you can able to download. So download option will be there. So you can able to download. So likewise, there are so many cases will be there. Just for example, I shown some of the case. Even for school level also. Say for example, for your children's also, you wanted to use some material or content. Even if the students, they are school children's, they are finding to very difficult to find some material or content or subject, means. So here there will be even 10th class, 12th class also material will be available. So based on the physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. So which subject you want? Just for example, I'll click mathematics. You need to log in before you accessing this material. You need to create an account and you need to log in and you need to access this account. Just for example, I'll just show it. Okay, so right now I don't have an account. So I just log into my mobile. So here in the system, I don't have account. So just for your example, I'll be showing this thing. Okay, so maybe you can able to explore after some time. So this is for the teaching purpose. This particular slide, there are so many slides will be there, so many website will be there, but some of the key which will be available with the free of cost, some of those website only I have given. So next one is very important for the research point of view. For the research point of view, so you people very well know, so Google Scholar, it's one of the main important thing. So it will be a ocean for the researchers. Just for example, I'll just open the Google Scholar. And even Google Scholar also, when you are downloading the article, okay, just for example, artificial intelligence questionnaire I'll be typing. So I'll be doing a research on the artificial intelligence. So I wanted to download some questionnaire. Just for example, okay, maybe randomly I'll just open some article which you are not able to download from the Google Scholar. Okay, maybe I'll try this one. Normally you can able to say for example this one, can you able to see this one? It will be asking 39 point almost 40 euro. It will be asking if you wanted to download this particular article, you need to pay 30 euro. You need to pay. So how you can able to download without paying any amount? So I will tell you. So you can go to the Science Hub. Okay, so this is the database. So you can able to go to the Science Hub. So you just copy this D DOI number, or you can able to copy this link. Okay, just 1 second. So it will be taking some time. So you can able to, once if you open this website, you can able to either you can able to enter the URL, or you can able to enter the DOI number. So once if you type, so that particular article, okay, so here, so what is the title of this article? Medical students' attitude towards artificial intelligence, a multi-center survey. So if you wanted to download, you need to pay almost 40 euro. Okay, but without paying a single rupee, so I'll just download this article. Can you able to see, all of you? So the same title, okay. So medical students' attitude towards artificial intelligence, a multi-center survey. Okay, so I'll just go through this. I'll just for example, I'll just go through it. So this is the full article of the research. So without paying any single euro rupee, I'll be downloaded this thing. So here download option also will be there. Okay, I'll just move the cursor so you just follow it. So if you click this particular button, so then automatically it will be downloaded. Just for example, I'll click this button. Okay, my system is a little slow. Okay, already click. So then automatically it will be downloaded. Okay, my system little hanged. All of you can able to follow me. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. Am I audible? Is the screen is visible? Yes or no? Can anyone reply to me? Am I audible? Sir, are you there? Sir, are you there? Anyone can reply me? Anyone is there?
Yes. Okay, sir. Continue.
Yeah. Okay, so just for the example, I just download the particular article. So I downloaded also. So I kept it in the desktop. Okay, I'll just open the PDF. So you can able to see the same title, and without paying a single rupee. So I have downloaded this article. Okay, so this is the article. So again, I'll just open the website just for your reference. System very slow. Yeah. Okay, so this is the title. Okay, so the same title I have downloaded. So likewise, similarly, you can able to download any of these articles. So normally last maybe 1 or 2 year articles, it may be not updated in the database. Maybe last 2023 or 2022 articles, maybe it will not be available in the Science Hub website. Then you need to wait for 1 more year, or depends upon the 6 months. So once it is updated the website, you can able to download directly from their websites. Okay, even here in the Google Scholar also, maybe just for if you wanted to cite this article in the Google, below the Google Scholar, there'll be a cite option will be there. So you can able to click the cite options. So even a reference also, what kind of reference you wanted to give, whether you wanted to give MLA style or APA style or Chicago style or Argo style, which style you want to follow, just click this, then copy and paste it in your reference area. Okay, so this is about the research. I'll close this one. Yeah, so ResearchGate, likewise, you can able to download the paper from the ResearchGate, semantic research. So this will be SRN, Social Science Research Network. So these are all the websites will be available with a free of cost. So you can able to download, but the only thing is you should have an account in the particular database. If you wanted to access the ResearchGate, means you should have a account in the ResearchGate. If you have the account in the Semantic Scholar, means you can able to download the Semantic Scholar articles. If you have the account in the SSRN, you can able to download. So one of the important thing is you can able to, if you wanted to increase your citation. Okay, if you want, what other paper you will be publishing, sometimes the citation will not be there. if you connected to all, if you make publicly, if you that your article will be available in all this database means, then automatically over a period of time your citation will increase. Okay, so these are all the various websites which will be used for the research point of view. So here also some of the website I given. So some website, say for example, if you go to the Google Scholar, all kind of subject will be available. But if you go to this particular MediBib Central, so only the medicine related research articles will be available. You can able to download any of this article with a free of cost. Okay. So likewise, some of the website I just given, maybe after some time you can able to explore the website and you can able to use it for your subject and you can able to use it for your research. So normally you can able to use this kind of website when you are going for the multidisciplinary research. If you're studying for the multidisciplinary COVID-19 related to the economic point of view, means you can able to explore the economic area also. COVID-19 related to healthcare means related to the healthcare area also you can able to explore. See, some of the AI based website also will be available. Okay, so just for example, so I'll just some website I'll just show a demo. So in this website there will be a answer to the public. If you ask anything related to the particular product, just for example, I'll just type eco driving or eco practice. In this website I'll be typing. Okay, so answerthepublic.com. So it can able to generate when this particular eco driving or eco practice the concept was evolved. Okay, just for example, so there will be 39 questions and answers will be there. Okay, so in which agricultural practice the eco-friendly they are following. So if you click this, it will go to the particular link. So where is the eco park? So what are the keywords you will be typing? So those keywords where they are used, even if you see this particular chart. Okay, so what the keyword I typed? So eco practice I have typed. Okay, so related to the particular keyword, so the AI generated so many answers to my keyword. So that's why I told you in the beginning also what kind of keyword you will be typing. I'll just scroll out, zoom out, so you can able to see the entire screen. Okay, so normally in terms of when you are searching also, so where it was the particular keyword or particular topic was used, when it was established, where it was originated, so those kind of things it will be there, and why this particular keyword. So I just type the key, eco practice. So why this eco practice was followed, what is the importance of the eco practice, okay, what is the meaning of the eco practice, then will it will be there for the future or present, or whether it will be continuing in the past. So likewise you can able to click any of the thing and you can able to explore this topic. So what will be the topic you will be searching, what will be the content you will be searching? So you just type the keyword. So in this website answerthepublic.com. Okay, so there'll be a classcenter.com also will be there. This is also AI based website. Okay, so you can able to get the some content related to your topic. So I already told you some website, some database will be there. You can able to do the free course. Just for example, Coursera will be there, edX will be there, Future Learn will be there, Data Campaign will be there, Udemy will be there, LinkedIn Learning will be there. So likewise, so many website will be there. Even some of the courses will be available with the free of cost. Even if you go to the Coursera, most of the courses you need to pay money. But if you go to the LinkedIn Learning, if you have the account in the LinkedIn Learning, if you have the subscription means you can able to learn the course. So which are the institute will be associated with the online things you can able to see. So for example, if you wanted to explore IIT Madras, so you just click the IIT Madras. What are the courses they are offering for the IIT Madras? So you can able to see all the courses which will be offered by the IIT Madras. If I wanted to study about the cyber security and privacy, so I can able to click this particular course and I can able to join and I can able to study this cyber security and privacy. So what are the content syllabus, all those things, all the details of the courses will be available on the website. Okay. So study abroad also, this may be useful for the students. So where they wanted to study. So for example, after completing their MBA or PhD, if they wanted to do the doctorate, or if they wanted to do maybe a postdoctorate, so some details will be available. So you can able to go. So what are the course you wanted to learn? So you just explore simply learn.com. So in this website, so subject wise it will be there, even country wise also the content will be there. So maybe after some time you can able to explore. So likewise, some of the website I given. So even if you wanted to learn other language, just for example, you just go to the website. You just go to the website. You wanted, suppose, for example, maybe you are interested to stay in France, or you may be planning to go to the abroad or some other country. So here you can able to see all the languages: Dutch, Spanish, French, Germany, Japanese. So any of the language, if you wanted to interested to learn any of the languages, so for example, I just click French. So, but the thing is, before opening this particular thing, you need to open an account. Okay, just for example, start learn. Without having an account, I'll just click start learn. Then it will be directed to the French language. So some of the social media platform also will be available if you wanted to connect with the social media platform like Facebook, Instagram. So you can able to connect with this, and you can able to start learn the other language. Just for example, this is some simple questions. So you need to fulfill the requirement. Then you can able to start learn the French. Just example, I'll just show one demo, then I'll close the thing. So it will require some time. Okay, it will be taking some time. Once it is started, then you can able to learn French. Okay. So even it will be asking whether you will be learn from the basics, or you are already already you know about the French. So this is the French: la homme, the man; la garçon, the boy; la chat, the cat. So likewise, you can able to answer the question also. So it can, if you have the audio, you can able to hear also, it can able to tell. So likewise, you can able to check. Okay. So I'll just close this one. So you can learn anything. So learn anything website. This is also AI based website. So you can learn anything from this website. Okay. Just for example, I wanted to learn about machine learning. So I'll just type the machine learning, then it will give the answer immediately within a fraction of a second. It will give the answers. Okay, I just type the machine learning. So machine learning, what is meant by machine learning? What are the articles? Recent articles will be there related to machine learning. So if you need any help related to machine learning, some statistics, learning algebra about the machine learning. So decision tree learning about the machine learning, unsupervised learning, hyperparametric optimization, meta learning. So these are the topics. So just for example, I typed, if I wanted to learn about what to say, stomach. So related to the topic, then immediately it will generate some information. Okay, just I'll be getting some information. So I'll click the stomach, then it will be go to the wiki land. So you can able to study about what is meant by stomach, what is the function, so what are the acid, what are the things will be there. So it will be detailedly with the diagram, with the explanation it will be given. So you can able to copy paste, and you can able to put it in your PPT, and you can able to present to your students. So what will be your requirement will be there. You can go to the learn anything.xyz. So you can just type the thing, then you can able to find the answer. Even what the keyword you will be searching, if you see in the top of the website, so this stomach will be comes under the which area. So it will comes under the human body, autonomy, biology. So likewise, it will be some direction also it will be given to the particular topic. So this one is very useful for the especially those who are in the drawing or engineering field. So autodraw.com, this is also AI based website. So I'll just show some demo. Okay, just for example, so I wanted to draw a tree. Okay, just for example, so I'm not good in drawing. Okay, so I'll just randomly draw the tree. Okay, so once I'll click, then if you see the top, then automatically it will be generated. So what I'm trying to draw, I am trying to draw a tree. See, this is some look like a leaf. This is what I am not expecting. Okay, this is what somewhat it will be look like a tree. So these are all some suggestions. Okay, these are all some suggestions. You can able to click the suggestions what I am trying to draw. You can able to see all the things related to your diagram. Okay, this look like a tree, palm tree. So I can able to use it. I can put it in my PPT. So if you want any of the things, say for example, if I wanted to make a bat. Okay, I wanted to draw a bat. So I'll be making a cricket bat. Okay, so once I'll draw the cricket bat, so in suggestion you can able to check it whether the bat will be there or not. Okay, so there will be a basketball bat will be there. So if you try to draw the diagram, then it will come exactly what you are going to find out. Just for example, I'm going to draw a star, but I want some different style. So I can able to check a different style. Maybe you can able to fill the color also. Okay, you can able to fill some different color. Okay, some different things also you can able to customize the things also, depends upon your requirement. So this is the autodraw.com. This is also AI based website. Even if you wanted to make some images which is not available in the internet, means you can able to draw yourself and you can able to put it in your PPT. So this is chat GPT. So everybody will know what is mean by chat GPT, what is the role of the chat GPT. So you can go to the chat GPT website. So in chat GPT also, how you will be using the content, how you will be typing. Okay, so you need to give some information to the chat GPT. So based on the chat GPT only, it can able to give some, it can able to generate the content. So normally the most of the researchers, they are when they are doing the review of literature or when they are writing the introduction, so directly they are taking from the chat GPT and they are directly putting into the research papers. But if you do plagiarism, maybe even you can able to type in the chat GPT, type the review of literature on consumer behavior. Just for example, I'll just give some demo also. Write a literature. Okay, a review of literature on consumer behavior without plagiarism. Just for example, I'll just type it. Okay, so I'll be getting some research paper, okay, related to what I'm typing. Okay, so with plagiarism I type, sorry. Okay, so without plagiarism. So I'll just type the without plagiarism. Okay, just for example, this is the thing will be what I'm typing. So based on the my content, it will be generated some content. So for example, if you wanted to, if the same answer, if you want some reference with reference, okay. Just once again. Proper citation. So if I want proper citation means then the same content with the citation it will generate. Okay, so this is the author here. Just for example, here it is not mentioned some author here. The same content, if you see the above answer, the same answer only it was generated. But this answer, there is no reference, there is no citation. But if you see this particular reference, there will be some author will be there with some years, some citation will be there. So that's why I'm showing this demo means, so what kind of keyword you will be typing. So based on your keyword only, the answer will be generated. Okay. So this one is beautifuলাই.com. Okay. So if you wanted to create a PPT or if you wanted to colorful presentation, you have to make it means, then I'll recommend this website. You can go to the beautiful.ai. So here in this website, you can able to customize your PPT, your presentation. You can able to, as per your subject, as per your content, you can able to make a beautiful presentation for your lecture. There will be some tour also will be there. Normally, if you wanted to access to this AI website means, so you need to access, you need to create a website. Sorry, you need to create an account in the AI based website. So if you access to any of the database means, you should have some account. You should have an account in that website, then only you can able to access to the website. So just for example, I'll just show you what will be you can able to customize. So what will be the template where the image will come. Okay, so what kind of image you wanted to make it. Just for example, I just click some random image and I can able to make the PPT. Okay, just I'll be clicking, so but my system is very slow. So just you can able to customize. Okay, you can able to customize and you can able to give some basic information. Once if you give the basic information, the AI will generate it. Say for example, I wanted to take what is meant by marketing. If I type what is meant by marketing, then the AI will generate the content. It will generate the image also, like ChatGPT updated version. So, but it will be available with a free of cost. Some website will be there, you need to pay, but certain website will be there, you don't need to pay a single rupee. Okay, so you can able to type the content, it can able to generate the image, it can able to generate the content, and it can able to highlight the content also. What are the things you need to highlight during your presentation? So my system is a little slow, so I'll just close the thing. Maybe you can just 1 second. Okay, so yeah, so some of the websites, so there'll be YouTube channel also I wanted to share with you. Okay, so if you go to this particular YouTube channel, so everything will be simplified manner, it will be available with the animated. So in between the class, okay, so for example, if you are taking some classes also, in between the classes also, some topic related to your general topic, or some topic you wanted to show some video means, you can able to go to this particular YouTube channel and you can able to play this video. Say for example, if you are taking about the plastic pollution, so what is meant by plastic pollution, you can able to go to this particular video. So it will be very simplified, animated YouTube channel will be there. So what is meant by plastic pollution with animated, and it will be very attractive thing, so it will attract the students also, so students can able to engage with the subject also. Okay, so you can able to see this video. So likewise, most of the simplified videos will be available in this YouTube channel. So you can maybe after some time you can able to explore. So what is meant by life? What is meant by nuclear? What is meant by COVID? What is meant by organic? Okay, when the world will end. So you can able to explore maybe after some time. This particular YouTube channel will be very useful for the faculty as well as for the students. Okay, so this all website, the link will be available in my PPT. Maybe you can able to see. So this website will be very useful for the HR faculty as well as for the job seekers. So the AI can able to generate the resume for your requirement. Just for example, some sample will be there. For this website also, you need to create an account. You need to create an account once if you are registered to the account. So you need to give some information. So once if you give the information, so many format, so many template it will generate. Just for example, this is one template. Okay, likewise some other template also, it will be generated with a different color, with a different features, with a different font size, with a different font style. So it can able to generate. So only thing is you need to create an account and you need to give the basic information. So what is your name? What is which industry you will be appearing? What is your experience? Some information you need to give. Based on your information, the AI will automatically it will generate so many formats, so many resume format. Okay, maybe after some time you can able to explore this website. Even this website also resume IO. This website also will be useful for generating the CV. You can able to generate the CV with a different style. So which style you want, so you can able to download and you can able to apply for the website also. Even this website also will be for the website builder. If you wanted to generate the website, if you wanted to, if you're planning to create a website for yourself, you can able to type some content. Okay, just for example, auto component. Okay, just for example, I'll be typing auto component selling. So based on my keyword, you can able to generate the website, but I don't have an account. So if you have an account, you can able to create an account. Then within a fraction of second, this particular website will create a entire website for you. Okay, just 1 second. Just 1 minute. I'll give the access. Then it will be generated. So normally, if you wanted to explore this website or those kind of data, you need some patience and you need to know what kind of keyword you need to type it in the website. So based on your keyword, it will generate. If you are giving more the keyword, more information in your search means it can able to give the accurate information. If you give the less keyword, if you give less content in your search means, then it will give less information only. Okay, just for example, I'll be generating the website. So I'll just type the auto component selling sales. So based on this particular content, it will be generating the website. So it will take some few seconds. Okay, a few minutes it will take. Then it can able to create a website. So once it is the entire process is done, you can able to view the website. Okay, just wait for maybe some seconds. Then it will show the website. So happy website builder. So the link is already given in the PPT. Okay. So just for example, so this is some, you can able to, this is the website, so you can able to customize. So I'm not given much information. So what are the information you will be giving? So automatically it can able to text, it will be created, color also it will be created. Some username and password also created. So say for example, in the search, if I'm typing auto component website with the dealers homepage, in the homepage, what are the things I'll be required? What will be the color I required? If you if you give means, it can able to customize your entire website as per your requirement, as per your needs. I just type only 3 words only I typed, so that's why it was created very simple manner. If you give a detailed information, then you can able to get all the information. So even if you wanted to customize the website also, you can able to customize. Just for your understanding, I'm telling. So these are all the data, these are all the website will be available, you can able to do. So even if you wanted to customize, maybe a little amount you need to pay. Okay, so this is nijasay.com. Maybe this will be useful for the students if they wanted to do some homework, or if they wanted to write an essay on particular topic means, maybe they can able to type the content here and they can able to generate the entire essay in this website. Okay, so I think last 4 4 minutes will be there, so I'll wind up the section. So conclusion of this presentation. So OER presented emerging opportunity and transform the education. So you can able to access any of the database. That's why again I'm telling you, so what kind of keyword you will be typing. So if you're not getting the right answer, so based on the combination of the certain keywords, you can able to get the right information. Even if you're trying to download some other certain book, if you're not able to download the particular book, you can type the author name. So those particular author, how many books they have published, how many video they have made. So you can able to view the entire textbook, you can able to view the entire video, and you can able to utilize for your subjects. Okay, so it will be freely available. Even you can able to use for the teaching purpose, you can able to use for the research purpose, or you can able to share the content to your students. So you can able to share the knowledge with your students. So students also will be benefited, as academician also they are getting benefited. So it will be improve the quality of the education worldwide. So do you have any other questions or any other? So actually time is very short, so I covered most of the thing. I'm not open all the website. I'm not detailedly explain each and everything. So I'll just give the overview. So website, this PPT, maybe after some time I'll share it with you. So maybe you can able to explore, you can able to click the website, and you can able to things, what are the things you will be required as per your requirement, you can able to get the right answer. So any questions or any doubt regarding today topic, you can able to unmute, you can able to ask.
Participants, you can raise your hands. We'll allow you to talk and you can ask your questions. Can you send us website details, Mr.
This website, I'll share the entire PPT with Peter sir maybe after this presentation, so he can able to share it with you. So these all websites will be available in the PPT, so I'll share it with you. So actually this science hub I'm not given here in the PPT, okay, that link, because it is somewhat pirated articles, you can able to get it, so I don't have a rights to share this thing. So maybe you can type it in the Google's, you can able to get the link sciencehub.ru.com. So you can able to download the article with a free of cost. Even if you go to the for the research books, if you want to download the research book also, I'll recommend. So library Genesis. So you can go to this particular website. So and one more very important thing, whenever the material or a textbook will be available with a free of cost, you should be very careful before accessing this kind of website. Better you can install the antivirus and protect your system. Then you are free to use the particular website, because sometimes along with the PDF file or along with the textbook, maybe sometimes they will share the virus also. So those kind of thing you can able to protect yourself. Any other question?
Any
Question or
other
any
question?
other? I think somebody they are speaking, but their voice is breaking. So better you can type it in the chat box. If there are any query. Kirti, somebody asking question. Ma'am, if you have any doubt, you can maybe you can unmute yourself or you can type it in the chat box. See, actually, time is very short, so I'm not covered the entire thing. So I'll just give the overview of the entire website, some database, how you can able to download the article, how you can able to download the text, and how you can able to download YouTube, some videos also. So maybe
So I think
this one,
we have answered most of the questions. And,
yes.
I hope there are no questions further. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank
So
you
thank
for
you for the
spending your time
opportunity.
with
Thank
us.
you.
And you have given us a brief view of OER and AI tools which we can use in our regular day-to-day activities. And I hope the participants got most out of it. As rightly Ms. Amalorpama mentioned, we have learned a lot, and we'll put our time to practice whatever we learned today. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for spending your
Thank
time
you.
with us
Thank
and
you.
sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Kritika ma'am, over to you, ma'am. Dear participants, we are concluding our 4-day FDP session with the valediction. So I request a few of you to share your experience as a feedback. You can raise your hands and I'll be allowing you to talk. We need your feedback to improvise ourselves and to check how we met your expectations during the past 4 days. So if you like to share with us, please raise your hand. I will allow you to talk so we all can hear us. I request one or two people to volunteer and provide us the feedback. Yes, I would like to allow Miss Arisha. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can unmute and talk, ma'am, now.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you
Am I
can
au-
talk now. Arisha, ma'am.
is my voice clear? Hello. Can someone tell me if my voice is audible?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ashia from Islamia Women's Arts and Science College. Um,
Sonia,
hello.
ma'am, you can also provide your feedback. So I have allowed you to talk. You can unmute and you can talk.
Can you guys hear me? I suppose nobody can hear me. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Anyone?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
All right. I mean, it seemed as if like nobody could hear me.
Okay, we get a feedback of Mr. Gilbert.
Uh,
Even
I
though I
believe
come
Mr.
from the technocrat background, I am amazed at the knowledge shared in this FTP, especially the gentleman from Mr. Valan Peter. Today I got a wide insight in the OER available. Thank you, sir. Any other feedbacks?
I believe Mr. Wallen is unable to hear me.
Okay, I think
Hello,
participants
Mr.
are little
Wallen. Can you hear
hesitated.
me?
Come on with the camera and voice. Yes, we could see few of the.
Yes, it's about time I shut up.
Thank you for the feedbacks. Okay. Now I request Professor Kirtika to provide the summary of the 4-day sessions and followed with valediction address by Reverend Father Anthony Kishore, who is the Vice Principal of Don Bosco College, Yeligiri Hills. Over to you, ma'am.
I'm here to provide a summary of the remarkable 4-day faculty development program that we have recently concluded. On the
Kirtika,
first
ma'am.
day, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you getting me, sir? Is my voice is audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. It is audible.
Okay, sir. Today, I am here to provide a summary of the remarkable 4-day faculty development program that we have recently concluded. Over the course of 4 days, we dwelt into various topics that are transforming the landscape of education. On the first day, Professor Mohammad Mesbah-ul Islam, a distinguished expert and former chairman of the Department of Information Science and Library Management at the University of Dhaka, provided invaluable insights into MOOCs. He shed light on the different categories of MOOCs available and their potential to enhance our teaching practices, supplement courses materials, and expand learning opportunities for our students. Moving forward to the second day, Mohammed Imran bin Hassan, an esteemed EdTech advisor and expert, introduced us to the concept of gamified classrooms. Through EduPuzzle, he demonstrated how gamification can foster student engagement and facilitate effective learning. Participants were provided with hands-on experience, exploring practical strategies for integrating gamification elements into their teaching. On the third day, Assistant Professor Valan Peter enlightened us on the applications of artificial intelligence in education. Through a hands-on session, he empowered our faculty members with practical knowledge and skills to leverage AI tools and techniques for personalized instruction, data analysis, and innovative teaching approaches. This session aimed to equip our educators with the tools to prepare our students for the technologically advanced world. Lastly, on the fourth day, Associate Professor Dr. Arokiraj David dwelled into the world of open educational resources OER, they highlighted the significance of freely available digital resources in promoting accessible and inclusive education. The discussion revolved around the benefits of OER, including collaboration among educators, student engagement, and enhanced learning outcomes in the digital-driven classroom. Throughout this 4-day journey, our faculty members have been exposed to cutting-edge concepts, innovative practices, and valuable strategies to enhance their teaching and promote student success. The faculty development program has fostered a culture of continuous learning and professional growth among our esteemed educators. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the organizers, speakers, and participants for making this faculty development program a resounding success. Now, we are honored of having Thank you all. Now we are honored of having Reverend Father Anthony Kishore, Vice President, Don Bosco College, Elagiri Hills, to validate the program. Welcome you, Father.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Father.
Yes. First of all, big congrats and big thanks for having invited me for part of this program. And organizer, hats off to you all, because the topic that you have chosen is very, very important topic. Empowering educators for the AI age, artificial intelligence age. So we are in the right now that age. Entire world is going or getting into that age. We educators, if we are behind using ordinary mode or the routine mode, naturally the students will not be able to learn anything at all. So the app topic that you have chosen, so big congrats to the management studies of Don Bosco College, Elagiri, and other people who are coordinating with them. I also, a few sessions I have attended. In that session, I also learned some of the tools that you have taught me. So as I'm also taking a commerce paper. So these tools which will help me to increase my teaching and also will enable me to get more interacted with the AI world. So big thanks and congrats. I also looking forward for our educators. It is we just kindle the spark to only few peoples. You people should spread this spark to too many, so many educators who will be getting into the AI world. And we also encourage the organizers to have some more webinar, seminar like this age, which will be useful or which will enable us in getting into the AI world. Big thanks and congrats to the organizer. Wonderful. May God bless you and wish you all success for all the participants and also the organizer. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Father. Sorry, I have interrupted Ms. Arisha and Bindu, Ms. Sonia Mary ma'am's feedback. So I request Arisha ma'am to provide the feedback now. Ma'am, you can unmute and you can talk. Sorry for the interruption. I had a network issue, so I talked over all.
It's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine, sir. Now, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay, fine. First of all, thanks a million, all of you, the organizers. Thank you so much. It was an honor to have attended all these sessions for the last few days. And first of all, big thanks mainly because I have been hearing about these things but I rarely found time or even the what do you call it, the motivation to figure them out by myself. ChatGPT is something that my son uses, but I haven't been able to explore it at all. And it was, wonderful the way you made it. It's quite simple, Alhamdulillah. Thanks for bringing it to us because we need to keep up with the younger generation. And everything, the tome, the pictory, all those things that I learned yesterday. And the MOOC, we were a bit familiar with MOOC and uh, yeah, the other day a puzzle. We were kind of familiar with that. But all the things that you packed up in the last 2 days, a big thanks to you all. Thank you very much. And I hope to attend many more programs like these. Thank you, DBCY.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your words. Sonia, ma'am. Anybody would like to share your feedback along Aisha, ma'am? Okay. So now it's time to say goodbye to all. And we are planning to have a few more sessions regarding with the chat GPT and other possibilities of AI which can be incorporated in our own classrooms. So stay tuned. We'll be sending you few of the invitations very soon. If you are yet to fill your feedbacks for the past 3 days, you can review our emails and you can fill the feedbacks. And now I request Murugan sir, our HOD, Department of Business Administration, to provide a vote of thanks.
Good evening, Valan. Thank you. Given opportunity to deliver a vote of thanks. So this is immense pleasure to deliver. Good evening, all. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and esteemed faculty member, and my dear fellow educators, good evening. It is with great pleasure and immense gratitude that I stand before you through the virtual platform today. I extend my heartfelt thanks on behalf of Department of Business Administration at Don Bosco College, Co-Ed, Allegheny Hills. We have had the privilege of organizing the Empowering Educator for the AAH Faculty Development Program, which has been an enlightening and enriching experience for all of us. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our rector, Dr. Bosco Agustin, STB, for his unwavering support and guidance throughout his program. His visionary leadership has been instrumental in fostering an environment that encourages continuous learning and innovation. I would also like to thank my sincere appreciation to our principal, Dr. Thaddeus, STB, for his encouragement and support in organizing this program, his commitment to academic excellency, and his dedication to the professional growth of our faculty has been truly inspiring. A special word of thanks goes to our Vice Principal, Father Anthony Kishore, STB, for his invaluable contribution and constant encouragement, his enthusiasm for embracing new technologies, and his commitment to equipping educators with necessary skills for AAH have been instrumental in making this program a success. I would like to express my gratitude to organizer of this event, Mr. Valan Peter and Mrs. Kritika, for their meticulous planning and tireless effort to ensuring smooth and successful event. Their dedication and attention to detail have truly made a difference in quality of this program. Heartfelt thanks goes to Mr. Arul Rosario, our esteemed department faculty, for his unwavering support and expertise in coordinating this program. I would like to thank and express our deepest gratitude our esteemed resource person who have generously shared their knowledge and expertise with us. We have privilege to add the opportunity to learn from Professor Muhammad Musbahul Isam from Department of Information Science and Library Management, University of Dhaka. His insights into MOOC and their integration with real-world application have been truly enlightening. We are also grateful to Muhammad Imran bin Hassan, EduTech advisor, expertise from EduBasul, San Francisco, for his invaluable session on gamified classroom through EduBasul. His experience or expertise leverage technology to create engaging and interactive learning experience has been truly remarkable. A special thanks goes to Dr. Arogiraj David, Associate Professor and Academic Coordinator at San Francisco Institute of Management and Research, for his enlightening session on open educational resources for digital-driven classroom. His insights into delivering digital resources have been truly invaluable. Last but not least, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the participants of faculty development program. Your active participation, engagement, and willingness to embrace new ideas and technologies have been truly inspired. It is through your commitment to continuous learning and growth that we can empower ourselves as educators in AAH. Once again, thanks to all. Special thanks to Valang and Kirtia, my dear Vice Principal. Thank you, Valan. Over to Valan.
Thank you so much, sir.
Little son, we want to go to Mandir.